Welcome back to,
Okay, there's a story pending.
We had a beautiful video. We're making dark chocolate sea salt cookies.
Right.
We filmed everything, and then when I went to edit, I realized I didn't film it. So we're gonna have half of the video like this,
Right,
so we're just gonna
we're going to
show you how to make the cookies.
Right, and then you'll see how nice we
Then we
make.
finish looking beautiful.
Look, see, because the cookies
yes.
are already made.
Mmm.
Okay, half a cup of butter.
Half a cup.
Oh, half?
Mm-hmm.
Half a cup of sugar.
Sugar.
And half a cup of brown sugar. Down there. Down. Teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to pretend this.
The first video we just threw everything in.
So how much is this?
We have
Baking
1 teaspoon
soda.
of baking soda. Mix it into
Yes.
1 cup of flour. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt.
That looks like
So 1 egg. Making sure there's no shells.
Right. Okay, and we mentioned this last time, and we'll mention it
Be
again.
careful.
Right? Because cocoa always
2/3 of a cup of cocoa.
2/3.
Good job.
Oh, thank you. Now our dry. See, it's harder to mix, but she is stronger. Yes. And last time I mentioned that you're home,
Yes.
back from Las Vegas,
Yes.
where you are performing in your dream job.
Yes.
Meaning water. Now we add the milk. 2 tablespoons.
Very good.
Oh, I'm
Good.
spreading.
Good.
Good. Whoa.
Mmm. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You're finishing my
Limes?
sentences.
Yeah.
We're trying to be a little bit more environmentally conscious.
And use less plastic.
So instead of wrapping it in plastic,
We're just going to put it in a container.
in the first video, we did not keep it in the refrigerator for 3 hours.
Right.
We were impatient and put it in the freezer for about half an hour.
And it worked.
Put it in the fridge for 3 hours, take it out, and let it sit for 20 minutes before you start scooping.
Celebrating nice. C'est Noël en Canada. Journée d'hiver magique.
We're back. Take your little ice cream scooper. Put a little scoopy.
You want to do it?
No. Take a forky. Press them down a little bit. Since they are dark chocolate sea salt,
Right.
we don't have sea salt. We're gonna sprinkle some pink Himalayan salt.
Right. On top.
All right, so you are gonna pop them in the oven for. I said that just to bother her. Okay, 10 minutes at 350.
Right.
Okay, it's been 10 minutes.
You're so cute.
You're cute.
No, you're cuter.
Mmm. Yummy. Cooling rack.
And then we go like this and make them.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no.
yeah.
You
It's okay.
Look,
Okay.
let's just try one.
Okay, try.
Emily, would you like to come try?
Let's have some fun. Skates on everyone.
Mmm.
Here comes Buddy